Hello learners, welcome back to a new video of our chapter Cards and Wheels workbook solution. So I hope previous day which I had explained you might have done. So today we will continue. So all of them open your page number 72. 72 question number 11 already last class I had explained. So today we will start with the question number 12. So you can see on the screen there will be three circles given. So how that three students are prepared the circle, I will read the question. Sanjay, Sasmita and Vineet made three circles by using different bottle caps on cardboard. So these three children they prepared three circles with the help of the bottle cap. In order to make it as top, so they want to make a top with this. They made holes. So all the three had made the holes. However, the holes are in different positions. So three students, three different positions the holes are prepared. You can see on the screen this picture. Now, you may be knowing that if the center, that hole will be in the center, then only the distance from the center to the boundary of the circle will be equal. Then only we will get the balance. If we will put the hole in one side or away from the center, then the object will not get the balance to move. So here the same thing happens. So by seeing this figure, you have to answer the following questions. What is the first question you can see now? The first question is, which top will spin the best? So by seeing this, you can easily make out always the top, the center will be the nail through which we are putting the thread, or with the hand we will spin. So in this case, the top made by A, that is will be the best one because its hole is in the center. Second question, which top will not spin at all? Which top will not spin? Because this C, the hole is somewhat near the boundary. So it will not get the balance to spin. So as soon as it will start spinning, it will fall. So answer is, which top will not spin at all? Top C. Now next question, which top will spin little? That is B. Why it is little spinning? Because it is somewhat near to the center. So the top made by B having the hole somewhat near the center, it will spin little. So our question is, what is the reason for top A spinning well? What is the reason? Just now I told, as the hole in top A is in the center position, it can maintain the balance and can spin well. So any object, if it is in the center, the handle or the thread or whatever it is there, then only it can rotate freely. So this is the answer. So the balance will get, and the A top will spin better than other two. So now take the page number 73. This is the last page of this chapter. Here there is one puzzle time given. Three questions are there. One by one I will read. You can see the pictures. Two bulls are tied to a pole with the two ropes in a field. The length of the ropes are 6 meter and 10 meter respectively. Who can look for more grass to eat? So here two bulls you can see, and their thread also, or the rope. First one with a 6 meter, so shorter one. So if this pole will be, you can take it as center, and if the animal will rotate around this pole, that animal can rotate 6 meter. And second one, the bull with a rope is 10 meter long. So it can rotate more wider than the first one because this radius is smaller than the second one. So our question is, who can look for more grass to eat? So which animal can rotate more space? It can see more grass and it can eat more grass. So the answer is bull tied with a 10-meter rope can have more grass to eat because its radius is more, so it can rotate more wider than the first one. So bull tied with a 10-meter rope can have more grass to eat. Now next question. Here you can see one rectangle given. In that 4 circles are also given. Aditya has a cardboard. He is having a cardboard sheet of length 24 centimeter long or length, and width is 18 centimeters. So this cardboard is of 24 centimeter long and 18 centimeter wide. How many circles of radius 3 centimeter can you draw inside the rectangle given alongside? So this is a rectangular piece cardboard, and our question is in this cardboard piece, how many circles of radius 3 centimeter can prepare? Already you printed one. Here upside 2 are given and here also 2 are given. So when I had drawn here, you can see same measurement I had taken with the help of the compass. So I had drawn here one circle, another one here. And how many will be coming in the first line? 1, 2, 3, 4. Same way from the middle row, first one already printed. So same measurement I had taken, 3 more circles. So total will be 4. Same way the fourth one also, third line also, first one given, remaining 3 I had prepared. Now you see total here 3 are there, in the second row also 3, third row also 3, fourth row also 3. So total lengthwise 4 circles and widthwise 3 circles. So 3 4s are 12. So total how many circles of 3 centimeter radius can prepare in this square, in this rectangular sheet of 24 meter length and 18 meter width? 12 circles. So students, you can also draw the same way. Now here the last question. Here also one figure given. Just look at in the picture. Ajay made a design on the circle. Look at this circle of radius 6 centimeters. So he made a big circle with a 6 centimeter radius. So this from the center to here, it is 6 centimeter. Inside the circle, he made 4 equal small circles meeting at the center as shown alongside. So here he had prepared 4 circles. One will be touching on the other one. So overlapping. From the center is the same meeting place, and the radius of each circle is same length, that is half of the bigger circle. The bigger circle radius is 6 centimeters. So we have taken the half of that is 3 centimeters. So how many circles he prepared? 4 circles. 3 4s are 12. He asked his friend Ravi the following questions. So after drawing, he asked the following questions to his friend. Find the radius of the inner circle. Just now I told, if from the center to this distance is 6 centimeter and he made equally 4 circles of same length, that is same radius. So it is, and from the center of the smaller circle to the center of the bigger circle, the distance is equal. So it is 6 divided by 2, it is 3 centimeter. So each small circle's radius is 3 centimeter. Find the diameter of the outer circle. Outer circle is bigger one. Its also center is here. From here to here it is 6 centimeter. So diameter meaning is 2 multiplied by r. So r is 6 centimeter. Therefore diameter of the bigger circle is from here to here, it is 6 2s are 12. So diameter is 12 centimeter. Now find the diameter of the inner circle. Here radius of the inner circle you got 3 centimeter. So from here to here it is 3 centimeter. From here to here is also 3 centimeter. So 3 twos are 6. So the inner circle's diameter is 6 centimeter. Outer circle's diameter is 12 centimeter. Inner circle's radius is 3 centimeter. And the outer circle's radius is 6 centimeter. So I hope students you also write all the answers today which I had discussed. Along with that, this chapter is completed already. The teacher will send the notes of this lesson to write in your notebook. That will come within 1 or 2 days. So when the notes will come in the global board, you have to copy in your notebook. And what work we are doing in the workbook, that you copy in your workbook. So along with that, I completed this chapter. We will meet again in the coming sessions. Till then, goodbye.